Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Yammer for Office 365 on a Mac computer, tutorial 15, renaming a folder. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for work, school or business. We also need to have added a folder to the Yammer account. So we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now we can go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications. Let's scroll to the bottom of the screen, go to explore all your applications. Now go to Yammer. Let's just wait for that to load. Let's now go within My Communities, go to All Company, go to Files, scroll to the top, and where we have the folder called Documents 1, click on the three dots, and we can now rename this to, let's say, Important Files. Click on Rename, and that folder itself has now been renamed. So let's click on Important Files, and all the files from beforehand are still in that folder. Let's go back one folder so we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.